Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of my waiting season vlog. Still waiting, still improving, and still trusting God. My sister came home but she only stayed for 2 days. She works far from our place so she rarely comes home and sometimes I missed our bonding moments together. I didn't film many videos with her. Just this one where we were having a little fun. Actually, it was my first time trying this gin bilog. I mean, my second time. The first time I tasted it was during New Year last year, but it was just a small amount. This time I planned it and my sister bought a gin bilog and we bonded together. I am actually an introverted person. I don't have many friends and most of my days are quiet. Or maybe for others it may seem like a boring life, but not for me. Because quiet days are better for me to improve myself and spend time alone with God. I also give myself time to learn English and Korean, but for now I am focusing more on English because I really want to become fluent in it. We've been so busy these past few days. Boxes of notebooks have arrived and we've been so focusing on finishing everything as soon as possible. I still make time to film my vlogs and little by little I continue revising my novel on Wattpad. I try to stay flexible with my time so I can do what I love. I remember when I was working at the outlet and my pastor was watching videos to overcome my boredom. Sometimes I watch Korean vlogs because I was trying hard to learn the language but it was difficult for me at that time because I was feeling discouraged. I wasn't consistent in learning. I also tried to write a novel back then. My goal was to finish at least one chapter a day. I keep pushing myself even though my mind kept telling me I couldn't construct the right words. I often lack ideas and even when I finish a chapter, I wasn't satisfied with what I had written. Eventually, I became too tired to continue what I'm doing. Why am I saying this? Simply because that was the time I relied on my own ability. I thought I could do everything on my own. I thought it would be easy to finish a novel or learn a new language. But now I realize why I failed to achieve my goals before. It's because I wasn't consistent. I easily got distracted by things that didn't help me grow, like watching random videos. Sometimes I think that if I had been consistent, I might have achieved some of my goals. But I wasn't. That's why I failed to reach my dreams, like finishing one or two novels before the year ended. I dream of becoming a published author but sometimes I feel lazy. Instead of overcoming writer's block, I end up giving in to it and doing things that don't help me grow. When I realized how far I was from my goals, and also from God, I learned to surrender everything to Him. I always mentioning this in every episode of this my waiting season vlog. I surrender everything to Him. I ask for His help in everything I do, even in my daily routines just like doing the household chores. Before I start my day, I pray and ask for God's guidance. Sometimes I feel lonely, sad, and almost lose hope, but I fight those feelings through prayer and trust in God. I believe I am blessed, not because of material or worldly things, but because of God's words and His abundant love. Before, I would feel frustrated whenever I failed. Now I choose to stay calm and entrust everything to God. The road I'm taking is still unclear. I still have many questions and sometimes I doubt myself and my future. But I never lose hope that one day I will understand God's purpose for my life. Whenever I feel tired, I remind myself that I can always talk to God and ask for His guidance. Yes, sometimes I still feel frustrated or annoyed, but whenever I feel like I'm losing again, I choose to return to God. Sometimes I ask Him, Lord, why do I feel like I have nothing? Why does everything seem so hard? Why do I feel like I am nothing or useless? But you know what? God's response in my heart. I may not have the material things that others have, but I have Him. I choose to trust Him and believe in what He can do in my life. I may not have worldly things, but I have His words. Sometimes I also ask Him, Lord, why do I feel like I don't have talents like others? Why do I lack confidence? And He reminds me, that is not true. You have your own talents. I give them to you. Then I reflect and realize my ability to write stories, my passion for editing videos, and my love for creating contents. These are gifts from God, talents that I can continue to improve. These are the thoughts that fill my mind during my soft moments. I take slow breaths, rest for a while, and then continue fighting my battles in life. But I know I am not alone because God is with me in this season. And that's all for today. I hope you understand the purpose of this video. If you are also in your waiting season and still trusting God's perfect timing, you can subscribe to my channel and let's grow closer to God together. You can also follow me on my TikTok and Facebook. And if you'd like to read my ongoing novel on Wattpad, Sa Tagpuan ni Bathala, you can find it on my account, Loves in the Rain. Please follow me there as well. Thank you so much. 정말 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 my waiting season vlog episode에서 또 만나요.